Hey guys, I just wanted to have a bit of a rant. I don't know if it's because I've had a bit of an argument with a lady down at the beach because her dog was off the leash and it came and barked at my dog and it really annoyed me. It might be because of that, but I don't know. I just really want to just have a rant about juiceplus. I sell juiceplus. I'm a distributor, but I was using it. I was taking it way before that, and I just love the products, and they have really changed my life. And I just kind of wanted to share it with you. And I had problems, I think, that I didn't really realize because I was so tired. I am a celiac, and I've only really just been told a year and a half ago I was told I was a celiac, and I can't eat gluten. I had all these problems with my gut, and I'm still getting over it. My intestines are still swollen according to the tests, and my digestive doctor just says, you know, it takes time. It does take a long time, just be patient. And I feel like juiceplus has really helped me with how I eat and being way healthier. And I take the premium package, the vegetable pills, the fruit and the berries, and it has given me so much more energy. I've got 2 little girls, so I should be tired anyway, but I am more there for them. I am also a big thing. My husband, we ordered for him the complete package with shakes and bars so that he could lose weight, because when I was pregnant I just ate and I just lost the weight, but he didn't. So the idea was to do this slimming with the complete, which is going great for him. But I started taking it as well because, well, I didn't realise I was obviously lacking protein, because ever since I've started taking the protein shakes, I have even more energy. Like, I had more energy with the premium package with the pills, but with the shakes and the bars as well, being a celiac, when you're out and about, you can't just grab something because not everything is gluten-free. Well, here in Spain anyway, I live in Spain, and I was a bit sick of taking fruit and veg around with me. And in the summer months, you know, a banana going moldy in your car, not the best look. So I was starting to buy bars and stuff, and I thought, hold on, I've got bars at home and they're super natural, gluten-free. Why wouldn't I be eating that? So I started eating having a few in my hidden in my car for if I suddenly get a hunger attack, and it's going amazingly. And my mentor, who's amazing, I went round his house for a brunch, and he had like these jugs of the shakes, the chocolate one and the vanilla one, and like with cereals and oats and fruit and stuff. And I was like, what is this? And he was like, it's the complete. And I was like, well, yeah, but it's just a milkshake. And he was like, no, it's not. It's way more than that. And if you build it into your life like this, it can do wonders. And I really took that to heart, and it just opened up a new way of eating for me. And instead of just chucking some milk on my oats, I now make the shakes and put that onto my oats, and it gives me this like energy and this power. I don't know. So I can't take it every day because honestly, it gives me too much energy. Sometimes I get the shakes because I'm like, I'm so fired up. I don't know. It's crazy. I'm just feeling this positivity about the whole thing, and it's such a great energy that it's giving me that I just wanted to share it with everybody. And okay, I'm selling it, and this isn't a sales pitch. Don't buy it from me, that's fine, but buy it from somebody, please. Just try it. I mean, trying something and it's gluten-free, it's vegan, it's completely natural. I mean, what you cannot lose out. I mean, this is why I've become a distributor, because people just need to get into this. People just, also because I bought the premium package, I have 2 little girls. juiceplus are doing this really great thing where if you sign up for the premium package, so I'm covered, I'm taking all my vitamins, which is just fruit and veg, it's just completely natural. My kids also get free chewable versions of what I'm taking. So I've always worried a little bit about my girls not eating enough fruit and veg. They eat a lot of fruit. We always have fruit in the house, but veg mainly. They don't. They see a bit of green. Like they used to, and then now they see a bit of green and they're like, "Oh, mummy, it's green." Just eat it. But they don't often. So the chewables are great. Also, I eat them, to be fair. It's like having some sweets to hand, but they're natural and nice and good for you. So you're not to be ashamed for eating sweets. So anyway, I have my wig shop that keeps you, you know, gorgeous from the outside. I just also, with the juiceplus, want to help you guys get amazing on the inside and feel that extra feeling that it gives you. Like, it seriously does. Please get in touch with somebody. If it's not me, find somebody and try juiceplus, especially if you're already into protein shakes. I mean, this is the best type of protein shake because it's completely natural. Check your protein shake if you're taking it already. I wasn't. I didn't even know about protein and stuff, to be honest with you. I was completely green. But my friends do, and they took a look at their protein shakes and were like, "Oh, I've got all these additives in and chemicals, and maybe I'll try the juiceplus protein shakes because they're completely natural and gluten-free and vegan, just like the whole range is." So I hate to bore you and I'm sorry to rant, but thank you for listening, and check out the link below if you're interested in being super healthy like me and being really positive and just having a real game changer in your life. Thanks.